Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a tip with Final Cut Pro and a new plugin that I literally just downloaded a few minutes ago. It's called Glow Brush and it's by Pixel Film Studios, and I'll send a link in the bottom. Anyways, it's under your titles and it would be under your generators under Pixel Film Studios. One quick lesson before you even start diving into this. Take a look at your resolution. It's 1080p in this particular video. Well, notice you have 5 different choices up here. 4K, 5K, 720p, 1080p. Don't make the same mistake I did and first start using the wrong resolution for the video, because what will happen, and you'll notice this if you make this mistake, is when you go to draw on your video with your mouse, the brush and the mouse are not calibrated and it will drive you insane. So again, make sure, this is crucial, 1080p here matches what's your effect resolution. Then you just drop it onto your storyboard like you normally would. And what I did was, you get to your storyboard, and I'm not done yet, but I wanted to give you a glimpse of what I'm doing. As I hit the wax down, I want it to start glowing, but in pieces. So frame by frame by frame, I'm drawing this in. To draw it in a little bit easier, what I do is I zoom in to, instead of zoom fit like I normally would, which is right here, and as you can see, you know, it's not meant to look perfect. It's meant to look kind of crazy and wild. So what you do is you go to the beginning frame and you go and zoom in up to about 200 whatever percent you want. Then it's easier to be a little bit more accurate. Let's just scroll down a little bit and I'll show you how to add more glare or glow. Okay, so we have a frame here. We want to add a little bit more glow. I messed up. So what we do is we go to the right hand side. First we make sure that we're selected on this particular effect. Then you click the color you want, you click the brush size, and the brush size is 7, but it varies from like 1 to however big you want. Now there's all kinds of attributes you can play with. What we're going to do is leave most of it the same. The one big thing you really want to take an eye on, keep an eye on, is the draw mode. Right now it's on frame by frame. And as you can see in a few minutes, I'll show you add to subsequent frames later. So frame by frame, I can literally just take my mouse, and in this frame, I can draw something like right here. That frame, it's there. Use the left and right arrows and see it's gone. Now that one doesn't quite make sense. So let's go ahead and we could clear the canvas, which would clear the entire effect. You don't want to do that. You could clear current frame, which would clear all the stuff on my right that I don't really want to repeat either. So the third option would be to go to the actual eraser, which is right here, and you pick a radius that you choose, and use the command button and click to erase the particular feature that you want to erase. Very helpful. Now this does take a little bit of time, so this is why I have the beer.
I hope this video was useful, and if it was, leave a comment below, let me know how, and also subscribe. That'll help me grow my channel and continue creating videos like this.